So let's see. So you have this, no, karma, justice, no, balance, no. So maybe, no, so yeah, ano ito, no, merong justice dito. So what else? So Venus, so love, no, meron talagang love. So I think, no, for some of you, Aries, no, ay meron ditong nag-end na relationship, no, kasi justice is served na, no, nag-balance na, no. So merong sabihin nating literally, no, may nakakarma rito, no, because of what the person did, no, for some of you, no, sa relationship, no. So kayo lang din nakakaalam niyan, no, mga Aries natin. Yan, no, for some of you, Aries, no, so meron ditong relationship na natapos, no, dahil nagkaroon na ng balance, no, maybe from the past, no, meron kayong relasyon na natapos, no, maybe etong friend na to, no, maybe naging friends na lang kayo, no, may pwede rin, something like that, no, basta with sa past, no, yeah, no, merong nangyaring di maganda, no, and then yun nga, no, justice is served, no, and then with the Venus, no, merong bagong love, no, na paparating for you, no, mga Aries natin, no. So let's see, no, tingnan pa natin, no, additional message, no. So merong bagong person, no, paparating, no, mag-o-offer ng love, no, sa inyo, mga Aries, no. So let's see, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Aries. So 1 and 2. So you have Leo, no, Leo, no. So for some of you are dealing also with Sagittarius, like I mean fire sign like you, no, Leo, no, for some of you. So what else? So you have this Pluto, no. So yan, no, for some of you, no, may mga transformation talaga ditong nangyayari, no. Maybe dahil nga sa relasyon ninyo ay may nag-end, no. For some of you ay may mga unti-unting nagbabago, no, sa mga sitwasyon, no, or maybe literally sa inyo mismo, no, mga fire sign na, I mean Aries, no, dahil nga ay sa mga napagdaanan nyo rin, no, before, no, sa past, right, no. So may mga transformation dito, no, for some of you, mga Aries natin, no. So yeah, tignan naman natin, no, message or advice